Hi. So we are going to address the most burning issue, that is private limited versus LLP. Hi, this is Rishi.
Hi, this is Raj Rishi.
We are from Invest in Pre-Leased. We help you profit from curated pre-lease proposals. So today we have a very dynamic personality amongst us. Let me introduce her. Krupa Joisar, a company secretary and fellow member of the Institute of Company Secretaries of India and LLB graduate from the Government Law College GLC Mumbai. She is passionate about corporate laws and has worked with a reputed practicing CS firm and got hands-on experience with leading with one of the India's largest corporate sectors, that is construction industry, handling corporate restructuring, legal due diligence, drafting agreements, rendering opinion on diverse issues under Companies Act, FEMA, NBFC, and has represented her clients before NCLT, SEBI, RBI for more than 9 years now. She has a passion and commitment towards her work and thus empowering her firm and all the stakeholders. We welcome Krupa. Thank you for being here.
Thank you, Raj and Rishi, for such a wonderful introduction.
Owning the real estate and managing it, is there any other activity permitted in that? And if and how does an investor come to know that yes, this is the special purpose and nothing beyond this will be carried out?
Sure. So for any entity, could be a private limited company or a LLC. So now I'll come to private limited company. When a company is incorporated, so it has to abide by a memorandum of association. So in memorandum of association, there is a specific clause named as object clause, where it is specifically mentioned that what the company will do or is allowed to do. So by reading the memorandum, an investor or any person from general public can understand that why this company is formed and what this company will do. Similarly, for a LLP, it is more regulated via a LLP agreement. So in LLP agreement, specifically main objects are mentioned. So again, by going through the LLP agreement, a person can come to know why this LLP has been formed.
Okay. So I think you've already answered. Our next question was going to be, what are the different structures possible? You've already said private limited and a LLP. Are there any other formats possible?
Yes, partnership form is also one of the entity which is possible. But in modern times, everyone wants to restrict their liability. So private limited company and LLP comes to your rescue. In private limited company, you limit the directors and also the shareholders that limit their liability. And for LLP, the partners limit their liability. So generally, in modern times, these are the two famous or most preferred type of entities apart from partnership form.
So, Krupa, we want to also understand that when you said these are the two preferred SPVs which people are going ahead with, so why is that? Apart from the liability part, what is the essence? Why would people go ahead with this?
Okay, so apart from liability, one of the major aspects both of these entities have is governance and transparency. So a private limited company generally have to file a lot of information with registrar of companies, which is always available in public domain. So it is more preferred because it has a lot of transparency. Any layman or any general public can just go to on the website of registrar of companies, that is MCA, Ministry of Corporate Affairs, and can download all the details of related to a private limited company. Similarly, it's with the LLP also. So even for LLP, the LLPs are required to file various documents and their financial statements with the registrar of companies, which are freely available. So any person again can log into MCA website and can download it, and then they can understand how safe these private limited or LLP companies are. Yes, so it involves a lot of transparency and governance also.